I'm starving. I can't even smell food anymore because people don't cook outside, and that's bullshit. I want to smell food. I want to smell hot dogs. Oh, bring back the Christmas market, because every time you ride past there, you can just smell the food, and it's fucking amazing. It's like, I put the camera on, and I was like, you know what? I might think of something, but right at this moment in time, I cannot think of nothing. I cannot think of nothing to say, so I'm just going to be failing at my English just to make some form of lols. My man, I think he gave me the head nod. I think I got the head nod. And then there's two little doggos. Little puppies!